boy.
Touch the sound of silent
Boy.
and it disturb the sound of silent
Boy.
There's a car collision over here. Bam, there's the hit everyone.
Can you say that again, Silence Boy?
There's a car collision over here. Bam, there's the hit everyone.
What?
There's a car collision over here. Bam, there's the hit everyone. That's a hit everyone there. It's a hit there. Yeah, that's a hit everyone there. It's a hit there. Huh? No, I could film anything I want. I just film accidents. I know, that's a total card already. Yeah. Yeah, I see that, but you're cool. That's a total card. The frame is damaged already. Have a good one, sir. You too. Enjoy your day. See, I told him something, everyone. We told him the frame is damaged already, and he doesn't listen, everyone. That's just an accident, everyone. Yeah, no, nothing biggie, everyone. Yeah, nothing biggie. Yeah. See? There we go, everyone. You see? See? There we go, everyone. You see? Come on. See? There we go, everyone. See? See? There we go, everyone. You see? See? There we go, everyone. You see? See? You see? You see? Everyone, you see? Oh, it fell, everyone. That's bad luck. Ay. Yeah, that's bad luck, everyone. That's bad luck already. Starting in the...
Get out of there, Silence Boy, before that bad luck starts happening. Boy.
She's just gonna be there, everyone. You know that. She's just gonna be there, everyone. You know that. Drunk people are crazy. I'm gonna tell you that, everyone. They're crazy. Hey, I'm gonna go get some shrimps, though, everyone. Let's enjoy life to the fullest. You might meet some Karens today, everyone. They look like that they is good enough for me. I like your smile on camera. A lot of people are not happy. Yeah. I like your smile. You show that there's the hope still in this world. There we go, everyone. There we go, everyone.